guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leandah. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Leandah, and please, if you have not subscribed, please click the button down below, that red button. Click it. It's free. Subscription is free. It's very free. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, and if you're returning again to watch another of my video, comment down below. Thank you so much. You're the real OG. I already know people that are going to comment in my head, so yes. So today I brought to you this reddish, I don't know what kind of look this is, but like I'm feeling it. I just picked up my brushes and my palette and I started doing whatever because I'm in love with the foundation. Okay, so if you haven't watched my last video, click here and stay tuned to keep watching this video. Okay, and make sure to subscribe again, please. Thank you. Please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you all in the next slide. So we are zoomed in, and as you can see, I have done these eyes. So I'm taking my Nuban Beauty in My Skin concealer and a very dry beauty blender, and I'm going to use that as a base for my colors or my shadows, whichever rocks your boat. And I'm using this to blend it out. I'm taking my Blossom palette, this black shade from my Blossom palette, and I'm just going to pack that in the outer corner of my eyes. Not really the outer corner though, but like almost the outer corner. Like this. So I'm kind of feeling uncomfortable with these eyes because my lashes are not properly placed. Just in case it's pulling off, it's because it's not properly placed. So when I'm done with the whole eyes, I'll place it properly. So I'm still packing that, and I'm going into my inner crease a little bit. So I'm just going to stop there. Taking this shade Bubbly from the same Blossom palette, I'm going to use that to blend the outer part. But before I do that, I'm going in with my Sacha setting powder, and I'm just going to set my crease, just to enable easy blending. So after that is done, then you go in with the Bubbly shade and then you blend. Your blend is going to be amazing. Can you all see what I'm talking about? Like easy blending. So I'm going round the black shadow with the Bubbly shade. I really want the cranberry color to be the style of the show. That's why I'm going in and over the black shadow with the shade. I don't want it to be all black and all that. So now I'm going to use Vaseline, this Vaseline, to cut my crease. So just look down and cut like that. And then you get yourself a wipe and then you clean. Going in with my NYX jumbo pencil, I'm going to use that to cut my crease. So after cutting my crease, I'm going in with that shade Bubbly from the beginning, and I'm just going to use that to pat the black just right here. I'm using an angled brush so that it comes like this. I want it to come like this. It's very slant. That's why I'm using an angled brush. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just patting it so it all blends well. Going in with the excess black from my brush, I'm just going to use that to pat. I'm patting, I'm not dragging it. Like that. And also with some excess from the same brush, the angled brush, I'm just going to use that to pat. Like so. I'm just going to use that brush, and I'm just going to line my waterline with the shadow that's remaining there. I'm taking this Aphrodite shade from the BH Cosmetic Galaxy Sheet palette. I'm going to put that on top of the bubbly shade, like so. Going in with this shade Mercury, I'm going to use that for this outer corner. See, it's already creasing, so I need to work in as fast as possible. So going in with the slant brush again, I'm going to use that to blend it out. Now I'm going in with this chunky glitters. From Ewaronke and a lash glue. I'm just going to put that on my lid area. So guys, we're almost done with the eyes. I'm going in with my TM moisturizer, and I'm going to use that to moisturize my face. If you haven't checked my last video, please go check it out. That was where I unboxed what I got for the makeup fair, and I got this moisturizer. Just click the eye button here or the eye. Just click whatever that is going to show up here, okay, and go watch it. I also reviewed a foundation there, so yeah, check it out. So in my last video where I did the haul, I didn't see this little description in the moisturizer, but it says TM Essentials Luminous Moisturizer, formulated for all skin types, lightweight and non-greasy, nothing but the best for your skin. It feels so. I'm going in with my Nuban Beauty foundation. I'm also going in with the beauty blender, Nuban Beauty Nuban Beauty blender, and I'm just going to go all over my face. If you haven't tried this foundation before, you should try it. And they deliver nationwide, so, and worldwide too. Can you see that? Can you see? So going in with the concealer I used earlier on, I'm going to use that to highlight my face. So I'm just going to allow this sit a bit, and I got an idea from someone. Like, I saw someone on YouTube, I don't know her name, but I'll put it here if I find her again. Like, I know her, I watch her videos, but I saw her spray her face, so I'm going to spray my face to see if there's any effectiveness. Okay, I'm going to use my badescu facial spray. I don't want to use the setting spray, so that I just don't want to use the setting spray. I'm going to use the facial spray, and I'm just going to spray my face right now. So let it sit a bit before I start blending. So I'm going to start blending for my forehead. Guys, you can see I'm done highlighting, and I don't really need much concealer. I mean, I don't really need much contouring, but I'm still going to contour. So I'm going in with my black opal stick foundation in Caro, and I'm just going to put that there. And I'm going in with my e.l.f. brush, and I'm just going to blend it all in. Can you see that glow? Can you see it? Just brushing it upwards and into my... I'm taking a beauty blender and blending in between. I'm doing that with my forehead also. So guys, this is me after highlighting and contouring. So now I'm going to set my face. Before I set my face, I'm going to apply my shadows first. So I'm going in with the colors I used. I'm going in with Demure instead of the color I used earlier, which is bubbly. I'm going in with, and I'm just going to pack that under my waterline. After that, I'm taking my Sacha water cup setting powder, and I'm just going to use that to set my face. I think I'm not going to use ABH Glow Kit today. I'm going to use the Carli Bybel BH Cosmetics palette because I've not used it in so long and it is as good as the ABH. So I'm going to use this shade. From the Carli Bybel palette. See? Told you it's as good. I'm going to put some in my temples as well, just because I can. Once again, I'll not be using a blush today again because I don't feel like, and I haven't gotten a blush that I really want and like. But don't worry, soon we'll soon start. But I actually do love blushes, but just that I can't find any now. Okay. I really don't know what I'm doing for my lips today, but I'm just going to line my lips first with ebony, and then we'll continue from there. So lining my lips with a brush. So I've lined my lips like this, and then I'm just going to use ruby wool to make it more whole. I'm just going to use ruby wool to get the look all together. The MAC ruby wool, just in case anybody's asking. The final thing to do, no, second to last thing to do, is that I'm just going to use the Zaron mascara under my lashes. I'm just going to let this dry so I can clean it off, and then I'm going to set my face with the Make It Last, and then I'll be back to show you our sweet look. So guys, here's the final look. Let me know what you think. Do you like this? Would you rock this? Where would you wear it to? Okay, so let me know what you think. This is the final look. Like, I'm feeling some kind of way, like, bro, this is amazing. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this look. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and thank you for watching again, and I'll see you all in my next video.